Let me show you all display settings available on Xiaomi 17T Pro. So in order to find display settings, you just have to open settings on our phone, then scroll down a little bit, and then in here we have display brightness. So first at the top we have the choice between the light mode and the dark mode, so you can choose whichever you prefer. If you like to, you can use both of them by setting up the schedule for the dark mode. So over here, if you turn this option on, you can choose when the dark mode should be automatically enabled and disabled. You can also choose the dark mode and force enable it for specific apps that you have installed. Then we have a brightness section where we can adjust the screen brightness over here. We have the automatic brightness as well, so we should be able to adjust the brightness of the screen automatically depending on the environment if you have this option enabled. And if you have automatic brightness disabled, then we have the sunlight mode, which you can also use. In screen section, we have advanced textures, which you can enable in here. It adds rendering effects like blurring across the system to provide an enhanced visual experience. We have color scheme, where we can, for example, find the adaptive color temperature. We can also choose color scheme by going for vivid colors or original color pro. And we also have the color temperature, which we can adjust over here on this wheel. You can also use warm or cool preset, or you can go for the default option. Then we have Xiaomi Eye Care Shield, so you can easily enable or disable the eye comfort mode, which turns the screen into this yellow or orange, or it uses this orange filter to protect your eyes at night. And we have the paper texture that you can use. We have some color settings that you can adjust, of course, and the app range, so you can choose in which apps and this filter should be active or not. And there is also the schedule, so you can set it up as well. So whenever you want it to be active, you can automatically turn it on at a given time and turn it off at a given time that you set up by yourself. Then we have refresh rate settings. If you choose default option, you can use up to 144 Hz. But if there is like a higher power consumption, then temporarily the refresh rate can be reduced to 60 Hz to save the battery. If you choose custom option, then over here you can go for 60 Hz to have it all the time, or up to 144 Hz to have it all the time, no matter the power consumption. You can also go to high refresh rate settings in order to choose which apps should be allowed to use up to 144 Hz. And there are some apps that are not allowed to use that amount of refresh rate by default, which you might want to change. Alright, then we have some font settings. So if you choose this font option, you will be redirected to the theme app with font category selected, so you can try to get any of these fonts. And then in font settings, you can also choose the font that you want to use on your phone. You can adjust the text size over here. And in the case of some fonts, for example the MI Sans, you can adjust the thickness of that font. And that is pretty much it in the case of display settings. If you're looking for some more visual changes that you can do, then you can, for example, check out personalization, where you can find, to name a few, always on display, or edge lining effects over here, or fingerprint effects, and so on. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.